Facebook, what's going on? How's it going? Today is such a beautiful day. So I wanted to talk to you guys real quick. I have posted a couple of times kind of teasing a mastermind group that I'm going to start here at the end of July. And the mastermind group is going to help you fine-tune your entire business. It's not going to be just about marketing or just about sales. It's going to help you fine-tune your business. Because see, in speaking with a lot of service business owners, there's a lot of issues that they face more than just getting leads or converting them into revenue, although that's a very important thing. As Mark Cuban would say, cash solves a lot of problems, or sales solves a lot of problems. They also have issues with things like employee development, not just hiring and recruiting, but employee development, cash flow management, finding capital to fund your growth, tax planning, legal issues, all kinds of things that go along with owning a business more than just marketing and just sales. But however, this is the Marketing Mafia, or at least I've shared you guys out to the Marketing Mafia. Actually, you might be watching this on my personal page. So I wanted to kind of give you a tidbit of some of the things that we're going to be sharing. Now, the two things I'm going to tidbit are definitely related to marketing, but these are things that go kind of next level. So if you own a business, or if you are in some type of customer acquisition, then what I'm going to show you today and what I'm going to show you either Thursday or Friday is kind of going to be some next level stuff. So everybody talks about utilizing Google or Facebook to find leads, and we hear a lot about Facebook for retargeting, and in fact we retarget our AdWords clicks that don't turn into leads using Facebook. But something that we've just started utilizing for retargeting is YouTube. So customer sees your ad on Google, they click on that ad, and they go to a landing page or a funnel or your website, but they don't give you that information. It's kind of like lost opportunity. You were up to bat, you swung and you missed. YouTube retargeting gives you another opportunity. You see, YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google. And so YouTube has a ton of eyes on it, and with the right targeting, with the right application to different channels, things like that, you can retarget those people that you swung and you missed on Google. You can retarget them and try to turn them into leads so you can get them into customers. So what we're going to do is, we got a video that the main man, the man with the plan, the man in charge, Sebastian Sharia, has put together, and it's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a couple things. One, how to install the tag properly, because you got to install that tag correctly so that Google can collect the information and begin to build the retargeting audience, number one. Number two, you have to know how to link your YouTube account with your Google account. And then you have to make sure that everything is working properly so that when you go to run that video, you're hitting those customers, you're hitting those retargeting audience, and getting that message in front of them. So that's 9 minutes. We're going to play that out for you, and I'm going to come back after we do that video, and I'm going to answer any questions that you have. So today is the day of Yeezus. If you haven't been following me on Facebook, go check out my post from today. I think I've done 3 or 4 already, but been putting out some Yeezus quotes for you. And don't worry, I'm not being blasphemous. I'm saying ye as in Kanye. And Kanye's got a lot of things to say about a lot of things. I don't think he said anything specifically about Google or YouTube, but he does say something about what you should do with your marketing and what we're trying to help you do, and that's, you got to make it better. You got to make it better. You know what I'm saying? So enough of me spewing Jesus. Let's cut to the video, and hey, take some notes, ask questions, and when we come back on, we'll definitely be here to answer your questions. Go ahead and roll that footage.
Today we will be learning how to create retargeting groups in Google AdWords to target potential leads who visited your website but never requested a quote or bought a service. Then we are also going to be showing you how to link Google AdWords with YouTube right here. So you will be able to target those potential leads and turn them into qualified leads through the use of video remarketing ads. Now the first thing you want to do while setting up Google AdWords remarketing is you're going to go to the Tools button in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to go to Audience Manager, click Audience Sources. Right here is where you will be creating your Google AdWords tag. Once you hit the button linked to Google AdWords, it will bring you to the tag setup page right here. And all you have to do with this, if you have a ClickFunnels set up, super easy. All you have to do is copy the code, go into ClickFunnels, edit page, go into settings, tracking code, and right here, as you can see, where we pasted it. Alternatively, if you want the remarketing tag to target the whole funnel, you can go underneath the settings of the funnel, and then right here where it says head tracking code, we also have it there too. Now if you're running off of WordPress, the process is a little more difficult. In order to insert the tracking code into the header of your website, you're going to need to install a plugin. On the left hand menu over here, we're going to go down to plugins and click add new. It's going to take you to this page right here, and go to search plugins. We're going to search insert header, and it should pop up under here. Insert headers and footers. This will allow you to paste your code as you did in the ClickFunnels right here, the head tracking code. You'll be able to do that within your WordPress website. So as you can see, we already have the latest version installed, but there will be an install button here. All you need to do is click that and then activate the plugin on the same button. Now you could find this option down in settings, and it'll be an option second down from the bottom, insert headers and footers. Now right here where it says scripts and header, this is where you will be wanting to paste your Google tracking code. So we're going to go ahead and copy that and paste it, and then all you have to do is click save, and it will be enabled on your site. In order to make sure that your tag is working, we will need to install a Chrome plugin by Google called Tag Assistant. This will ensure that your Google remarketing tag is installed on your website. As you see, we already have it added to this browser. So go back to your funnel or your website and go to a page that's active, and it'll be this blue little tag right in the upper right hand corner where all the other extensions are. We're going to go ahead and click enable, and then it will only work if you reload the page, so we're going to do that. As you can see, we have the global marketing tag and the remarketing tag both active and ready to go. Now that we've got that done, we're going to be setting up your AdWords with YouTube so that we can target all of your potential leads with highly engaging video ads. To do that, we're going to go to Tools, Linked Accounts, where it says YouTube right here, click Details. It specifies that you have to be the YouTube channel owner, Add Channel, and then it will ask for the channel. So I have a test channel here called Test YT Channel. We're going to go ahead and go to my channel, copy this URL, and paste it. It shows up right here. I own this channel. Go to YouTube. Now once that you've set everything up on the AdWords end, it'll bring you to this page on your YouTube channel, and if you don't already have an AdWords account name, it will ask you to fill one out. So I'm going to go ahead and click test. Now underneath that, you can see that there are different permissions that you can allow the AdWords account to have. We're just going to click finish, and now your AdWords account is linked with your YouTube account. Alternatively, another way that you could do this if you're already on YouTube is go to link an AdWords account, and then you will want to go back into AdWords, click this sidebar right here, and this customer ID is what they want. Then after you paste it, you'll click next, and then it'll bring you to the same page that we had before. We're not going to set up another one just because it's the same account. Now, before you go creating a video campaign to target all of those potential leads, what you're going to want to do is create a retargeting audience. This will be a list of all of the people that have visited your website but have not requested a quote or bought a service from you. So what we're going to do is go to Tools, Audience Manager, and click the plus button right here, Website Visitors. You can name it whatever. I'm just going to name it Test Remarketing. And where it says List Members, you want to select visitors of a page who did not visit another page. Now, it is very crucial within this process to have a thank you page after your quote page or after your buy page, because this is what allows Google to track who bought a service or requested a quote and who didn't. So in this case, we're going to be using our funnel. I'm going to grab the URL from here. You can grab the whole URL, which is usually not preferred because there can be extensions off of the URL that mess with the tracking. So what I usually like to do is just take the first most recognizable parts of the URL extension. So right here I'm taking clean home, copying that and pasting that into this box right here. Make sure that the second box underneath here says URL contains and not equals. If that is selected, that means that they are searching for a URL that is exactly this that you pasted in the box. We're going to go down here to unvisited page. This is the page that nobody except for people who bought your service or requested a quote have gone to. So this could be a thank you page. So we're going to go back into ClickFunnels, click our thank you page, open up the URL, and we're only going to select the thank you part of the extension. Go back into AdWords and make sure that this box says URL contains, paste that. If you're just now setting up your Google tag, this result is irrelevant basically, because Google cannot comprise a list of people that have visited that previous to when the tag was set up. It doesn't really matter which option you set here. It's still going to give you 0 results the first day that you install the tag. Now we're going to go down to membership duration. This is the number of days that people should remain in the audience after they went to your website and didn't complete an action. We're just going to keep that stock at 30 days, but you can set it up to 540 days, which is important. Description is totally optional if you want to make any retargeting notes or anything. That's where you could do this here. We're going to click Create Audience, and as you can see right now, it's already populating, but unfortunately, because we just set the AdWords remarketing tag up, there will not be any results currently. But if your website has a steady daily traffic, then your remarketing tags will be populating. After this, you're ready to set up a YouTube video marketing campaign to retarget all of those potential leads and turn them into customers.
Mind blown. Mind blown. Some deep stuff. Look, here's the good news. We're going to keep this up. We're going to edit and cut it up and put it on our YouTube channel, the Marketing Mafia YouTube channel. So you can go in, look at the Facebook version, or go to YouTube and look at that version and walk through the steps so that you can get it right. Because look, retargeting, as Jesus would say, makes it better. Retargeting makes it better. Retargeting Facebook, retargeting YouTube makes your Google ad campaign much, much better. And I caught myself because I called it AdWords before, and Google's doing all that rebranding, so it's Google Ads now. But retargeting with YouTube makes your search campaigns so much more effective. And look, the cost to retarget somebody on YouTube is literally pennies. Pennies. So I'm gonna give you one more tip, and then I'm gonna get out of here. But that's this: grab your audience's attention when you're making these videos. You got to just get in their face and ask them, why haven't you hired us yet? And there's nothing wrong with that. You're trying to create attention. Look, marketing is about AIDI: attention, interest, decision, and action. And getting their attention and their interest is what you want to be doing on those YouTube retargeting videos. So go through all this work, take the 9-minute video and take 30 minutes to figure it out, because that's probably what it's going to take, maybe longer. Get your audience flowing, and then build a video that's going to get your customers to click on that ad and send you their information so you can start making it rain up in here. So hey, thanks for hanging out. I'll talk to you guys real soon, and look forward to helping you dominate your business this year. Let's dominate.